Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by nailing the essentials, a one-line value proposition and 3 pain points you solve, because viewers must grasp relevance immediately. Once done, gather your visual assets, product shots in 4K from 3 angles plus close-ups, and lock your logo, 16, 9 thumbnail, caption text, and music stems. Do this now so editing flows. It saves time and keeps messaging consistent. Make sure to name files clearly, and keep a simple folder structure for fast access during assembly. You now assemble the narrative. Start with a strong hook, show the demo, explain benefits, and close with a clear CTA. As you edit, prioritize rhythm, use J-cuts and L-cuts to make transitions feel natural and keep viewer attention. Color grade for skin tones and product fidelity, and mix audio to balance voice, music, and effects. Once the rough cut feels cohesive, export a high-quality reference and iterate with quick feedback rounds so each tweak advances clarity and persuasion. You finish by exporting platform-ready masters, MP4H, 264 at 1080p or 4K with an 8 to 15 Mbps bitrate, and upload along with captions, SEO title, and a compelling thumbnail. Once live, schedule a 0:15 preview clip for socials to drive early traffic and set up tracking. If performance lags, here's the key troubleshooting tip. If CTR is under 3%, immediately a /B test thumbnails and headline. Small visual
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.